Hello, what's up guys, it's Tutors. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online legitimately, all by writing article. I'm going to show you a single website that pays you $100 per each article submitted on their platform. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe by hitting on the subscribe button right here and click on the notification bell icon, turn up to all to get notified whenever I drop videos that have to do with affiliate marketing, make money online, search engine optimization, and Fiverr ranking tips. All right, like I said, I'm going to show you a website that pays you handsomely for writing a piece of article for them, and this article is a minimum words of 600 words for them. You write 600 words article and get paid $100. This website pays it work legitimately and is for everyone, content writer, bloggers. So far you know what you're doing and you are willing to work with this company is ready to pay you $100 per each article. Now this website is called Listverse. All right, this is it right here. I use this website a lot. That is why this website is bookmarked on my system. So I'm going to hit on the enter button. So let's go to this website called Listverse. This website pays you hugely to write article for them. So what you have to do is to click on the more button. When you get to more button, as you can see right here, say write and get paid. This one said submit a list, search, Listverse, blah blah blah, our book and blah. What we are interested right now is to write and get paid. So we're going to click on the write and get paid. So right here, as you can see, say get paid $100. Do you want to earn money online? Listverse was built on the effort of readers just like you, readers who didn't have enough experience as writers but decided to put a list together and send it in. All right, so here is the deal. We pay you $100 for your efforts. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to have English equal to that of a native speaker, a sense of humor, and a love for things unusual or interesting. All right, it says it works like this. You write your leaks, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, we reply and say great, well, publish it and send you $100 by PayPal. That is to say, this website actually pays you $100 to your PayPal account for publishing article for them. You don't have an account, just make one. It's easy and free. As you can see, it's easy and free. Or we reply, sorry, it isn't the sort of thing our reader will love. Give it another shot. Just remember, your list should be at least 1 or 2 paragraphs per entry. Either way, you win. Your list will be read by us and reviewed, and if it's amazing, it will appear on the front page of Listverse to be read by millions of people per month. We cannot accept lists from writers who do not have PayPal accounts. This is non-negotiable. If PayPal don't support your country, please do not request alternative method of payment. That is to say, Listverse only accepts users who have access to PayPal. All right, because the only payment method is done through PayPal. But if you are coming from a country where PayPal is not allowed, do not worry. I have a video on how you can create any country PayPal account. You can check around my channel. Check, I think, or check to last year 2020. You're going to see a video that talks about how to create a PayPal account. So now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you to Listverse homepage so you see what this website is all about. As the name implies, list. This website talks about top 10 is a list. Top 10 this, top 10 that. Everything must go in line with what you're seeing right here. As you can see, top 10 incredible smells, or top 10 remarks better than original movies. 10 dark secrets that exposes the truth about Hollywood. So this is it. Just top 10 this, top 10 that, top 10 strange thing happening right now. Just top 10, top 10, top 10, top 10. So this is a list website. It has to be a list. So let's open, or let's look for one and open right here. I think we should go with this. Hollywood. Okay, this is it right here. So let's open this here to see how this list looks like. All right. So as you can see, it's actually not long. So this is it here. So it's the list. This is it. It's the list. This is it right here. It's the list. Top 10. So 9, 8, Keep scrolling down, scrolling down, scrolling down to 1. All right, so this is it, is the list. So right now, how we're going to make money on this vest? It's very easy. Stick to the end of this video. Do not skip and watch how you make money on this vest. Now, all I have to do to make money on this vest, I have to click on the more option. When you go to more, click on submit a list. So all you have to do is just to read the terms and conditions. This is the terms and condition that talks about having the best top-notch article or list, making sure to proofread your article and make sure your article are in line with their guidelines. So after having done that at your time, you can read this and read the author's guide. And also it says here, we only accept submissions from the US, UK, NZ, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. If your country is not listed here below, it actually tells that ListVest is not allowed or is not allowed to function in your country. But if you are coming from Nigeria, if you are coming from Pakistan, if you are coming from Bangladesh, if you are coming from India, if you are coming from Singapore, if you are coming from any country that is not allowed on ListVest, do not worry. I'm going to show you how you can do that. I'm a Nigerian. I've used ListVest and it worked for me. I'm going to show you the same way I used ListVest and I got paid $100 per each list accepted. All right. So right now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make use of a VPN. It is best recommended to use a premium VPN because this website is smart. They actually have a tool that helps detect if you are using a VPN or not. So it's best recommended to use a strong VPN. That is why I say you go for premium VPN. Or if you are sure your VPN is strong, then you can give it a try. All right. So what I use SwissScribe Premium VPN. So this is SwissScribe here. You can use premium. At the moment, this is free. When I want to use it, I have to log into my premium SwissScribe account, then turn on my location. Before coming to this website right here, make sure your VPN is on. Then all you have to do is to make sure your VPN is turned to a country that is accepted. By default, you can leave it to USA or UK. Make sure your VPN is turned on to allowed country. So once you've done that successfully, all you have to do is to scroll down and make sure your article are in line with their guidelines. All right. So the next thing you have to do, like I said earlier, you don't need to have an account on ListVest. They pay you straight up. Once your article is approved, they pay you straight to your PayPal account. All right. If you don't have to create PayPal accounts, I think I told you earlier, you can check around my videos. I have video on how you can create PayPal accounts. So all you have to do here is your author name or nickname. That is how you want it to appear on ListVest. So you're going to write here your author name. So I'm going to choose below any of this here. So your author name, your email address. This is your email address, how you want it to appear on ListVest, or you can keep it private or with ListVest. All right. So this is the most important part of this. Your PayPal email address should be a working PayPal address because this is where ListVest is going to pay you. If you don't have PayPal accounts, this is not for you. ListVest only make payment to those with PayPal accounts. So if you don't have PayPal accounts, then don't bother trying because it's not going to work for you. All right. So here you have to input your working PayPal email address, and here is your author bios. All right. So you just have to talk about yourself, stuff about yourself, like 50 words about yourself. So you have to upload it here, and this is where your list starts from. So now remember, this is a list website. Top 10 this, top 10 that, 10 this, 10 that. So it's going to be like, for example, we have a list on top best countries to visit, stuff like that. So we're gonna input it right here. A clear introduction to your list. This is where you're gonna input what your list is all about. Your list is about top 10 best country to visit for holiday, blah blah blah, stuff like that. So you're gonna explain what your list is all about for their editor to get it easy with you. All right. So here is your full list. As you can see, the minimum article accepted on this platform is 1,500 words to 2,000 max article. So your article shouldn't be longer than 2,000 words and a minimum of 1,500 words. So all you have to do here is copy and paste your article and make sure your article is top notch. This is a standard website. You can't get paid without a quality article. You can actually hire a writer to give you the best article. Like in my case, I do hire writers. I pay them on Fiverr or any platform I want to use, and then paste my article here. Once it's approved, I get paid $100 immediately to my PayPal account. So if you are coming from any country that is not allowed, that shouldn't be a hindrance to you. Just use a VPN and you are good to go. Before doing that, make sure your VPN is strong enough. If you are using a free VPN, it's not going to work. I repeat, it's not going to work. I've tried this and it didn't work. So I had to get a premium VPN for me to access list fast. All right. So this is how you can make money online by writing just article. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that right away. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a lovely day.